him that because it's gonna hurt.
Wait, come here.
Wait, she's recording.
Get off on us.
She's recording it already.
Go.
There's only 30 seconds on that video.
Go. Faster.